Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out a new Windows Manager. The name of this window manager is PK or PEK Windows Manager. So this is the website of the PEK Window Manager, www.pekwindow.se. SE means it is from Sweden. It is based in Sweden. So you can get the PEK Windows Manager from source. So if you want to install PeKWM from source, download the latest tarball or get the latest development code using Git. So you have to clone the Git code of the PEK Window Manager will be cloned, and then you can make and install it on your system. So the way to build with CMake and how to install it is given here. The steps are given. And the features of the PEK Windows Manager are it has got automatic properties, it has got some decor rules, it has got title rules, and it has got some window properties. There are chainable key bindings, highly configurable, window grouping is available, and it is unobtrusive. That is, it gets out of your way, so and you can focus on your work. And there is a link to the Libera chart where you can find the community of PEK Window Manager. You can see here in the window grouping in PWM is available to all the applications. Most modern applications now have tabs in themselves, but still does not allow grouping together different applications into one group. In this illustration with a PWM theme shows an XTerm window and Xcalc window grouped together. You can see here the two different applications are grouped together. There is a X terminal and a calculator which is grouped together, and this is how it looks on your screen when you will use the PeKWM Windows Manager or PWM Windows Manager. The decor rules, they are part of the automatic properties or autoprops for short. The PWM supports setting the decoration of windows is based on the properties of window. In the illustration, PWM shows the effect of the below decor rules setting a warning decoration on remote terminals. So these are the code for the decor rules, and here you can see a plain window, and now there is a warning. Some warning sort of warning is shown by a red band below the window. So the gray window, we can say tab has a red edge on the bottom side. So this is it. Other things are not given how it will look. So when we will do the detailed review, we can check out the key bindings, the this how it is on obstructive. Then we can check out the title rules and the chainable key bindings in the detailed review. Now let us go over to the themes. So some registered themes are available. You can see it here, the how it looks. So if you want to install the themes, there is a site with the rendering of the themes available in the PeKWM theme index. So I will open it here so you can check it out. So this is the theme folder, and you can directly clone the themes from here. So you can download the code and then make and install it on your system. You can install themes by running PeKWM_theme install theme name. So you have to specify the theme name and it will be installed. To include your theme, create a pull request against the PeKWM theme index repository with a JSON file describing your theme. So that's all. Now let us go over to the doc. So these are the documentation for the PWM or the PeKWM Window Manager. So you can check it out. Everything is given here. So let us check out the auto properties. Auto properties is short for the automatic properties. This is the way of setting certain things up for the application based on the Windows internal ID. So you can set up a lot of things such as size, iconified state, start location, group location, workspace to start on, whether it is a border or a title bar. and also it is possible to modify the window titles and to decide the order of application on the harbor with auto properties. So they are given some common syntax to describe the auto properties. You can check it out in detail for yourself. I will not go into too much detail. And there are some advanced auto properties also given. And there is auto grouping of the different application windows. So auto grouping is naturally very simple, though it might sound a bit confusing. Group is an identifier just as a string. For example, we can call it net win. Size tells us how many clients to group together in one frame. So this is the code for auto grouping of windows. So you can go in detail. I will not go, otherwise the video will become very long. So what I will do is I will return back to the PWM website, and now let us check out the blog. The blog right now is not available. Maybe the links have changed and they have not updated the website. So with this, I will stop the video here. Not much is given here. We will directly go and check out the PWM window manager in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.